Hey everyone! Ever wondered why Christmas in Jamaica is unforgettable? Let me take you on a quick journey through the island's most important December traditions. Christmas in Jamaica isn't just a holiday, it's a whole vibe. From early December, the streets come alive with vibrant decorations and the sweet sounds of reggae Christmas carols. But what really sets it apart are the family gatherings and the food. Oh, the food. Jamaican families usually kick off Christmas Day with a big breakfast featuring traditional dishes like ackee and saltfish and boiled bananas. Then, it's time for the grand Christmas feast. Picture this: roast chicken, curried goat, and the star of the show, Jamaican Christmas ham glazed with pineapple and cherries. And of course, no Jamaican Christmas is complete without sorrel. This festive drink made from the sepals of the roselle plant is spiced with ginger, cloves, and pimento, and often mixed with rum. But it's not just about the food. December is packed with big events and parties. Grand Market on Christmas Eve is a must-see. Towns transform into bustling hubs with street vendors, music, and dancing until the early hours. Then there are the beach parties, like the famous Sting concert, where you can soak up the sun and the beats. So if you're looking for a holiday filled with warmth, flavor, and unforgettable memories, Christmas in Jamaica is where you need to be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cultural adventures.